Welcome back my dear beautiful friends. This video I am going to show you take a screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, then swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel menu. Here you can try to find the take screenshot button. Once you found them, simply tap on it once and automatically capture your phone screen. However, keep in mind, if your phone is don't find this option, don't worry. You can follow the another method. To do that, go to settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, open accessibility. After that, locate at the interaction and dexterity, open them. Here, find the assistant menu option. Right now, this option is turned off. Simply turn it on first. After it enable, you can see pop-up assistant menu button. Simply tap on it. Then, locate at the screenshot option appear. Click on it once and automatically capture the screen. And that's it guys, you are done. If you found this video will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Take care.